my mini addiction. I make and paint miniatures and terrain for tabletop gaming, and today I want to talk about my ruined windmill that I saved from utter ruin. So this is 3D printed and is part of the fantasy city I've been printing and painting over the last year, and I actually printed it several months ago when I was really busy at work and I had just a long print queue. So when I would be gone all day, I just, was printing things, and then as soon as it was done, just take it off the build plate, throw something else on. And what I didn't catch right away was the base layer for this had a bad layer shift. And so what ended up happening was it made it so like the door was a separate piece, it wouldn't slot in okay, and it was like, oh, do I really want to reprint this part? And you know what, I thought, I might be able to save it and then set it aside for months. So over the last couple of weeks, I've actually gone through and fixed it. So what I want to show you in this video is just some time-lapse recordings of what I did to fix it. So initially I have, I kind of remelted a little bit of where the layer shift was, and I have a old soldering iron that I use for fixing PLA 3D prints, and so I used that to kind of go through and fix that up, and then I made this custom base out of foam. So I will show you guys in the video what I did, and then added some extra stuff along the base to kind of hide the fact that yeah, it's a little wonky right along the bottom, but you know what? Being a ruined windmill to begin with, was, it was okay. So the fact that I was able to, salvage it some, and unless you're looking really close and you know what to look for, you don't even really see it at first. But this is a really cool piece that is part of, Magic and Mage's Fantasy City by Tabletop Terrain. But let me show you video of how I fixed it, how I put it together and made the base, and then I'll show some close-up pictures at the very end. Hope you enjoy.